Hi, it's Rhonda Fawcett here from Mathemata New Zealand, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy card today using a sketch as an inspiration. So in our annual catalogue here on page 22, we have got all these little sketch designs at the bottom of the page to give you ideas of how to make cards with different layouts. So I'm going to do this one here with all the little tiny circles in, and use the new celebration set, which is called Friendly Seagulls, and make a card like that with the sketch. So I'm going to start off with and this is all South Pacific sizes, A5 sheet of card folded in half. So that is Azure Afternoon. I actually don't even know how to pronounce that, so you can correct me if I'm wrong. So fold that in half, and then I'm going to get a panel of white card, and this is 14.9 centimeters by 8.5. So I will put that through the embossing machine and just emboss that. And got this nice sort of painted texture pattern. I think it will go well with the seagulls, sort of beachy, sandy, nondescript type pattern. It goes with everything. It's one of my favourite embossing folders. You can use it for such a lot of things. It's not too specific. So just lay that down with the border on each side. I might have to keep referring to my sketch. And now I need some circles. 4 circles, a big one. So I'm going to use the Spotlight on Nature dies, and I've got some already die cut out. So two of that, one small size. Yep, I think that will work. Okay, so I want to, before I glue everything down, well, I suppose I could glue these ones down. I'll just lay it out how it's going to work. That goes right over to the side, that goes slightly on top, this goes underneath. And let me see, I might change it up a wee bit. I might put this one on top and this one underneath. That's the thing with sketches, you can put your own spin on them. It doesn't have to be exactly how. Right. My husband's doing yard work outside. It's a bit noisy out there at the moment. And this one here. Hope you're all having a good new year. Good start to the new year. We've been on holiday for a couple of weeks. We didn't go anywhere. We just stayed at home, but we had family over and that was really nice. Yeah, so something like that. Right, so I want to do some sponging on this one and then lay all the seagulls out on top of that. So I'll just take this away for a minute. I'm going to use the, I'm also die cutting a little piece for the sand. So I'm already die cut that, and I'm going to just tear it across. Just how high is it? Let me see. It is about 4 centimeters strip of card of basic beige. So that's going to be my sand for my beach scene. And I'm going to stamp the little, what are they called? Little sand bits, or pebbles, but I'm going to make them into sand. So I've got Daffodil Delight. Doesn't show up very much on this card, but it's just to give a bit of texture to it. And I'll do some in crushed curry because that will actually show up better. Stamp some off. That looks good. And just a little bit of sponging there. So I'm going to use Daffodil Delight. Just put a little bit of yellow on. I don't need much. I can just keep some of that basic beige showing through. And then sponge with the blue, which I've gone ahead and done earlier. And then I can put the sand on. So just line that up with the edge of that. You can see I've got a little bit of a mark there where I was a bit heavy-handed with the sponge, but the Seagull will cover that up. Oh, I just remembered we're going to cut something first. I need to take this out. I need to cut a little line because I want to embed the chips, packet of chips into there. So I'm just going to use this and get a craft knife. Right. So just around here. Can you see I've just made a little slit in there, and I've already stamped and coloured those with Poppy Parade, Daffodil Delight, dark Daffodil Delight for the, I'll just put a little bit of adhesive there. So I use dark Daffodil Delight for the chips or the French fries, and for the burger image I use light Daffodil Delight. Pecan Pie for the burger patty, Poppy Parade, light Daffodil Delight and dark Daffodil Delight. Oh, it's still got it. I haven't cut that properly. Okay, now I can glue it on. That's what I like about this Tombow. It is a little bit forgiving, isn't it? If you can peel things off. If they haven't been stuck down for too long. The other thing is, I'm going to put some Seagulls on, so I'll stick this one in the middle. If you do stick it down and it has been adhered for a while and you need to lift it off because you made a mistake, use your heat gun and heat all over. It will soften the glue enough for you to peel it off and reposition it. So I'm going to put him right in the center there, and then another one to the outside. I'll stand this one up. He can just go over the edge a little bit there. And then we've got the word chips or French fries. So I'm going to use chips because that's, we say fish and chips in New Zealand. And I've got my Stampin' Right marker. So I'm going to just do some little dots there and stamp it a second time and do an exclamation mark. Okay, so I can glue these ones down. I wanted this to be a birthday card, so on the stamp set it's got, "Hey friend, I love you more than french fries or chips," but I wanted it to be birthday, so I mean you could use those words for birthday, but I just wanted it to be like, if I wanted to give it to my husband who's a beach lover, I just wanted more fun rather than sentimental. Anyway, so go back to our base card now, and we can stick this one down. So I'll bring it right over to the edge. This one looks a bit crooked, this seagull. This is the thing, when I am doing this on camera, it's a little bit hard to see. I will try and fix that up afterwards. I will try and pull him off and straighten him a little bit. And then the last one is the circle that's going to go on top. So leave him down there. And what else do we need? The inside. I've already gone ahead and stamped that using the other seagull in the stamp set. And then I decided to use this one, Ice Cream Swirl. It's got lots of good ones you could use. You could use Make-A-Wish, Yum Yum, Thanks for Everything, but I chose to do Hope Your Day is Sweet. And that is my quick and easy card using the sketch. What do you think? Hope you like it. Hope you can try some sketches and let me know what sketches you've done and what you've enjoyed, which sketches you've enjoyed doing. Cheers, bye.